I'm winning. No, you won. That's the doorbell. Keep playing. Don't close the TV like you did last time. There's other players. I would just go in public. Fidgets! Yes, the funny game. What's that bag? It's a bag full of fidgets. I'm gonna go open them. Ooh. Oh my goodness, squishy. A pop tube. This is so cool. Ooh. A color changing needle. Wow. So cool. And a simple dimple. And another needle. I'm gonna try popping the pop tube. Wow, so cool. There. Another simple dimple. The right side. Here's the left side. Oh, this is so cool. I love this. Alright. Ooh, another plushie toy. So satisfying. Oh my gosh, I have to call Lila about this. Where's my phone? My mom's gonna be pretty mad if my room is a mess. Well, I'm gonna clean it anyway, so. Oh my gosh, where's my phone? I have to call Lila about this. Hey, don't toss my phone on the floor. Can't you see I'm playing a game? And it might break. I don't care. What? Mom! Mom's busy doing laundry. Oh my god, so my fidgets came. I got a pop tube. Got a simple dimple. Here's the quiet side. Here's the hot side. I got this. Oh wait. This is a mochi? What's a mochi? Oh no. Wait, this is not a mochi. This is big. Oh, so it's a squishy. It's so satisfying. I got this plushie too. I got this other squishy. I got a color changing needle. I got another needle. It's like a globule. Look, it sticks to the wall. Stick it off. Let me try that again. Let me show my brother. Hold on. Dave! What? I'm playing this game. What did you do that for? Let me show you. Look. Mom's not going to be upset. There's no slimness. Oh my goodness, how did that happen? It's a globule. Oh wait, no. This is sticky needle. It says on this thing. Got it. I want to try. What do you guys throw at? The roof. Wait, no! Wait, no! See, I got it. I'm gonna do it. I hate you so much. How are we gonna get it? I don't know. Mom! Yeah, I was just doing laundry and then I heard Dave. Look what Dave did. What is that? One of my fidgets. We can't get it down, Dave. You know what? I'm gonna get something to get it down. Maybe this. My phone. Mom, you can't risk your phone. Don't worry, I got it. Okay. No more getting those things. But Mom, it's not my fault. It's Dave. Dave, you can't get those kind of stuff. You can't get fidgets, but I can. Oh, I don't care. Only if Mom gets me the new video game. Then I'm swearing. I'm not gonna get you it until you clean your room. It's really messy. And you have candy all over, crumbs all over your room and shit. I think I'm gonna clean this up. And maybe fidget trade with some people. At the park. Maybe at the trading. There's this place called a fidget trading hub. I think I want to go there. Oh yeah, I forgot slime is a fidget. We can play with this slime. Let's put this here. Okay, Dave, we can continue. You can me and you can play with some fidgets. But no globbles. You guys cannot play with he can't play with globbles. He's gonna stick them to the wall. Can I really play with some fidgets? Yeah, sure. Yes. Here's a simple dimple. Let me try now. All those kids always getting some toys. I have to finish up with the laundry.